Hi guys. Now today I want to show you what it means and the difference between subscribing and following a Substack account. So each and every time you log into Substack, you'll have an option either to follow or subscribe. So what does this two means? If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Alright, so I'm here on my account and I'll just go ahead and tap on any account, for instance this account. Now if I tap on it, you can see we have two options, either to subscribe or to follow. Now because Substack in most cases some people use for creating newsletters, it means if you subscribe to their accounts, then you'll have submitted your email and therefore they'll be able to send you newsletters directly to your email. That's what it means when you subscribe to an account on Substack. However, if you don't want to receive the newsletters, then you can just go ahead and follow an account. By following an account, it means you'll be able to see what they post each and every time. It will appear in your feeds because you are following their accounts. However, you will not receive personalized newsletters into your email. So if you don't want to receive emails from the accounts, go ahead and just choose follow. However, if you want to go beyond just following, you can also subscribe to their accounts so that you get newsletters straight to your mailbox. So for this, I'll go ahead and follow here. And as you can see, I still have an option to subscribe. So if following is just enough, you can leave it at that. But if you also wish to receive newsletters from them, go ahead and now tap on subscribe. And as you can see, I've now subscribed to this account. So that's the difference between following and subscribing to an account on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.